Okay, students, so in the last video, we were at page number 15 and we just finished this page and we discussed how Philip makes up with his music teacher, Mr. Raspata, and they become best of friends. And now let us read on. So one day, while Philip was busy practicing, a man came to the door. He said, I've been listening for 5 minutes. You play the violin very nicely. Won't you come in? Asked Philip. So, a random man, just a stranger, he was passing by and he complimented Philip for his violin. Thank you, I will. The man said, okay, I will come in. He stepped inside and continued. Have you ever thought of joining circus? Why? No, sir, said Philip in surprise. So he was taken aback. Philip was like, no, I have never thought of joining a circus. So the man says, I am the leader of the band in the circus that is showing near Pennsylvania Avenue. If you should care to join us, I would be most happy to employ you. So he just made an offer to Philip, and he said that I am the leader of a band, and which is showing near Pennsylvania Avenue. This is a place. Avenue means a street. So he's performing in this street. So please come and have a look. So visions of wonderful life in the circus flashed through Philip's mind. I would like to do so, he said wistfully, but I don't think my father would let me go. So he all of a sudden got really thoughtful, and Philip started having these visions of a very nice life ahead. He said, I really want to work in a circus, but said wistfully. Wistfully means longing. I mean, in a sad way. He wants it very badly. But he's sad because he said that I don't think my father would let me go. My father will not allow. Don't tell him. The father said, ठीक है, उसको अपने father को मत बताओ. And this shocked Philip, because he was just a lad of 13 years old, so he was not ready to lie to his father. He said, oh, I couldn't just go off without asking him. तो मैं बिना परमिशन के नहीं जा सकता है, फिलिप कहता है. But often fathers don't understand what a very fine future there is for a boy who's traveling with the circus. Obviously, ज़्यादातर पेरेंट्स कहते हैं नहीं समझते हैं कि कितना अच्छा, कितना फाइन, कितना ब्राइट फ्यूचर हो सकता है सर्कस में. एक ट्रैवलिंग सर्कस में यू विल गेट टू सी द वर्ल्ड. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, I'll suggest you something. Tomorrow night, you bring your fiddle. Fiddle means your violin, your instrument, and go along with us. हमारे साथ चलना when we leave. After we have been away for a day or two, you can write your father and tell him what a wonderful time you are having. So without telling your father, just come with us and 2-3 दिन बाद बता देना. Obviously he won't interfere then. तब वो कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. Otherwise, if you tell him now, he might forbid you to go. अगर तुम अभी बताते हो, if you tell him just now, he might just stop you from going. Philip finally agreed to report the following night. He just agrees. So this shows the very innocent side of Philip. How his mind is really wavered, and he's just his mind always wanders to do something new. तो उसका मन हमेशा कुछ नया करने को लगा रहता है. तो म्यूज़िक लेसन से बेकिंग तक, और नाउ बेकिंग से अगेन म्यूज़िक लेसन, एंड नाउ ही वांट्स टू ट्राई समथिंग एब्सोल्युटली न्यू. अब वो एक सर्कस ज्वाइन करना चाहता है. सो दिस टेल्स अस अ लॉट अबाउट हिज कैरेक्टर. Philip finally agreed. Okay, the more he thought about his decision, about the glory in store for him, the more elated he felt. Elated means extremely happy. So he felt really happy about it. At last he could not keep quiet any longer. उससे रहा नहीं जा रहा. He cannot keep this secret anymore. And he just went next door to his best friend. Tingling with excitement, Philip told his secret. I'm going to join a circus by tomorrow, Ed, and I'll make a lot of money, become the leader of a circus band. Then he cautioned his friend not to tell. तो ही blurted out everything. सब उसने उगल दिया जो जो उसकी बात हुई थी उस stranger से. And he said, okay, I'm going to be a very rich and happy man. एंड साथ में ये भी बोल दिया, कॉशन मीन्स जस्ट टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू टेल एनीवन एल्स, किसी और को मत बताना. वेल, एड्स आईब्राउ आर्च्ड एंड हिज माउथ फ्लू ओपन. So he curled his eyebrow and he was like, he was really surprised, and he was really impressed with him greatly. And it was so much on his mind that he accidentally let the secret out at supper time. Because he was also just a lad of 13, उसका friend जो Ed था, तो उसने भी accidentally सारा secret जो है dinner table पे अपने parents को बता दिया. Later that evening, after Ed was asleep, his mother paid a visit to Mrs. Sosa. तो फिलिप की मदर के पास पहुंच जाती है, एड की मदर, एंड ऑब्वियसली शी टॉक्स अबाउट दिस टू द मदर. The next morning, Philip lay in his bed dreaming a delightful dream about being the director of a big circus band. Suddenly, he heard his father's gentle voice saying, "Good morning, son." नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उसके फादर उसके रूम में आते हैं, एंड व्हेन फिलिप इज़ जस्ट ड्रीमिंग अबाउट अ रियली नाइस फ्यूचर इन द बैंड, sorry, in the circus band. "Good morning, Papa," he said. "When you dress today, put on your Sunday clothes." Now apparently these people, they have specific clothes for Sunday or all days of the week. तो उसके फादर कहते हैं कि संडे वाले कपड़े पहनना आज. No, Philip was certain that it was not Sunday. उसको ये तो पता था कि आज संडे नहीं है. But he obeyed his father's request. As he went downstairs to eat breakfast, he kept wondering, why did Papa want me to put on my Sunday clothes? आज संडे वाले कपड़े पहनने को क्यों बोला है? Anyway, they go out, and his father chatted with him in a friendly way until the end of the meal. And he said abruptly, we will take a walk. So they have a nice meal, and उसके बाद they go out for a walk. They had abruptly means होता all of a sudden, अचानक से, ठीक है. So अचानक से उसके father कहते हैं, okay, let us go for a walk now. They walked only a few blocks when Philip realized that they were headed towards the United States Marine Barracks. Abhi, this is important. The boy wondered why his father was taking him there. He soon learned. This is really important, so you need to mark this portion. Within an hour, Philip was enlisted as an apprentice to study music in the Marine Band. Now, he was obviously not ready for this, लेकिन थोड़ी ही देर बाद उसको पता चल गया क्यों उसको मेरीन बैरक्स के पास वो लेके आए हैं. बिकॉज ही was enlisted, where is it, sorry, I just lost, yeah, so he was enlisted as an apprentice. Apprentice beta hota hai a person, apprentice is a person who basically works for someone for a period of time, and usually उनको salary नहीं मिलती उस चीज़ की. Basically you take a training for something, ठीक है. So as a trainer he was enlisted in the Marine Band. Mr. Sosa had confidence in his son's strong sense of duty, and he knew that the boy would not desert the Marines to run away with the circus. Now his father knew that the boy will not just trade such an important career with going to the circus. So years sped by, and eventually John Philip became the leader. This is very important. He became the leader of the Marine Band. This band is the official band of the President of the United States, which is such an honor. Sosa served as a band master for 5 different presidents. Really important. During these years, the big band went abroad several times, and they became famous all over the world. So this is what the future had in store for Philip. Now this is really important. क्यों important है? क्योंकि इसी पॉइंट से उसकी लाइफ जो है पूरी बदल जाती है. अगर वो वही सर्कस में चला जाता तो his life would have been absolutely different. But here, just because his father was not a strict father and who forced him to join Marines or something else, he was very thoughtful, and he just gave him an option. he had Philip had this option of leaving the band and joining the circus, but he knew that he will not do that, and that was the right thing to do for Philip. तो दिस शोज़ अ लॉट एक्चुअली आपकी जो चॉइसेस होती हैं बेटा लाइफ में, हाउ दे मेक एन इम्पैक्ट इन योर लाइफ, ओके, एंड हाउ दे शेप योर फ्यूचर एक्चुअली. So he became such an important person. He became a band master who played for 5 different presidents, which is a huge honor. Well, moving on, Sosa also became famous as a composer. He not only performed, but he also wrote those compositions, those marches. He wrote more than 100 marches underlined, and he was known as the March King. This is important. This is what he is called. He wrote one of his finest marches for a special occasion. I'm just going to read this whole portion, and then later on I will explain it. The Washington Post, a newspaper that is published in the nation's capital, held an essay contest. Prizes were offered for the best essays written by pupils in the Washington schools. A big day was planned for awarding the prizes. One of the events was to be a program of music played by the Marine Band. Sosa was asked to compose a march in honor of the happy occasion. The idea appealed to him greatly, so he set about composing this march. The great day finally came. The blue sky was dotted with fluffy clouds, and the breeze was blowing. People poured into the area around the big band. So soon, thousands were waiting to hear the music. So, in this portion, we read how he became a very famous march king. Plus, he also composed several marches, hundreds of marches, and एक उसकी जो मोस्ट फेमस मार्चेस में से है द वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट मार्च, इसको बोलते हैं द वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट मार्च. ये कब उसने कंपोज की थी? ही कंपोज्ड इट ड्यूरिंग अ स्पेशल ओकेजन. वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट एक न्यूज़पेपर है, उसका एक इवेंट था, ओके, विच वाज एन एसे कॉन्टेस्ट, एंड दे प्लान दिस ओकेजन. They planned a special day to give away the prizes that were decided after this competition. And उसी occasion पे marine band को भी invite किया गया था play करने के लिए. And Sosa was asked to compose a march for this happy occasion, for this important occasion. So he composed a very important, very famous march. I will tell you later on about this march. Now the great day finally came. It was a nice cloudy day, okay, the fine breeze was blowing and everything. The people had they had gathered there to enjoy the occasion. So the children of Washington had been looking forward to this day for a long time. Nearly all of them were there. The trees around the band were filled with boys who had climbed up to get a good view of the famous March King. So people were really excited to see John Philip Sosa, okay, and they were really excited to see him playing, and it was a fully packed place. पूरी भीड़ थी वहाँ पे. After the Washington Post March was played, this march is called the Washington Post March, and when it played, everybody applauded wildly. It was really loved by everyone, and the boys in the trees listened and watched with sparkling eyes. This is very important. Okay, why are they looking at this man's march with the sparkling eyes? Well, this is basically a full circle for Philip Sosa. Why? क्योंकि बिगनिंग में हमने पढ़ा था चैप्टर के कि जॉन फिलिप भी इसी तरह से देखता है अपने फादर को with a twinkling eye, and he also vows that I will become a march king and I will become a musician, and he fulfilled that dream and he became such a great March King. And similarly now the next generation is looking up to him, and वो भी उससे इंस्पिरेशन ले रहे हैं, प्रेरणा ले रहे हैं, and they have they have this sparkle in their eyes and they also want to become like him. So this is a full circle for him. जो उसने सोचा था he did, and now he is inspiring the others. As they applauded, perhaps some of them vowed to become musicians, just like John Philip did in the beginning of the lesson, just as John Philip Sosa had done many years before. Okay, so this is the chapter. Okay, and I want you to have a little glance at the life history of John Philip Sosa. I did not want to read this part in the beginning क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी कि हम जॉन फिलिप को एज अ लैड, एज अ बॉय पढ़ें. ठीक है, द वे ही वॉज रियली प्लेफुल, रियली इनडिसाइसिव, व्हाट टू डू. हम सब भी ऐसे ही होते हैं, वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी वांट टू डू इन लाइफ, वी जस्ट कॉपी फ्रॉम अदर्स our goals. If someone says I want to do this, we also say that. So the writer wants to tell that how John Philip Sosa, such a great musician, also was really indecisive. उसको नहीं पता था what he wants to become. So I'm just going to read some portions from here. Okay, just a minute. So okay, yeah. So yes, so just a brief background of John Philip Sosa. He was a very famous American composer. Okay, and he is famously known as the as the American March King. He was born in November 6, 1854 in Washington DC in the United States. Okay, and now I'm reading from here. Okay, I thought I just selected the pen. Okay, so yeah, so he was a mere 26 when he accepted the leadership of the Marine Band, and to give a more authoritative appearance, he grew a full beard black. Sosa held his position for 12 years, and during this time he made numerous changes, including adjustments to the repertory of the ensemble. Okay, Sosa's first concern as a leader was to soften the sound that hit the guests as they entered the White House. So multiple times John Philip played in the White House, and the present story presents, very important line, I wanted to read this portion out specially. The present story presents a glimpse of the life of his son and brings out the fact, this is about John Philip Sosa, and brings out the fact that one can succeed in life only if one pursues a vocation according to one's aptitude and inborn taste. So yes, John Philip had he took some time to really realize what he wanted to do in life. He was indecisive, उसको नहीं पता था exactly, but then later on he came to know that he wants to pursue music as his vocation. So that was his aptitude, that was his inborn taste, because he was just a lad of 11 years old जब उसने decide कर लिया था कि वो भी musician बनेगा. So this lesson teaches us how we should choose our vocation, our profession according to our inborn interest, our inborn taste. So that is what we learn from this chapter. Okay, and yes, so okay, so I just want to show you the picture of John Philip. Okay, so this is him, and he was known as the March King. Okay, and yeah, this is the official uniform that they wear in the march. Okay, and in the last, I just want you to hear this march. This is the Washington Post March, the very famous march that we talked about in the chapter. Okay, if you are interested, I will share the link to this video in the description. You can check it out. Okay, so that is all for the day, beta. I hope the chapter is clear, and we will discuss it further in our next class, in the Zoom class. That is all for the day. Thank you.